The 12 days of business, day 10. So in day 9's question, you actually correctly completed the break-even chart, and today you've been asked to do 2 parts. Firstly, you need to identify the number of customers required for the candle making workshops to break even. So in other words, how many customers do they need to break even? And secondly, you need to calculate the margin of safety, and you actually have been given the formula to help you do that. Pause the video whilst you do that. Okay, so firstly, you should have got the answer as 40 because you would have looked at where the revenue and the total cost line intercept, and then you read down, and that'd be 40 customers or £1,000 in actual value. Now you know it's 40 customers, you can calculate your margin of safety. Remember, your margin of safety is the difference between how many you're actually selling and your break-even point. You always want a bigger margin of safety because that means your business is making a more successful operational decisions. Remember, the margin of safety being bigger is better because at break-even, you're making no profit. If you've got a massive margin of safety, that's showing you how much profit you're making. So you simply do number of sales, which is 55, minus the break-even point, which is 40, and that will give you 15 customers. If you did that, you would have picked up all the marks, and well done. You're well on your way to getting all your marks in your 12 days of business.